Welcome to this explainer. Your iPhone is basically a supercomputer in your pocket, and every single year, Apple drops hundreds of new, powerful features. But here is the secret. So many of the absolute best ones stay buried deep inside settings menus that most people never even look at. Well, today, we're cracking the code. We are revealing 14 secret tricks that will completely change the way you use your device. Seriously, think about it for a second. Are you getting the most out of your device? Most everyday users are completely missing out on massive productivity hacks and incredible battery-saving tools that are just sitting right there in their hands. If you're basically just making calls, sending texts, and scrolling, you are literally just scratching the surface. But by the end of this explainer, I promise we're going to transform you into a true iPhone power user. All right, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, hidden hardware shortcuts. Second, productivity and text hacks. Third, essential privacy and safety. And finally, system optimization and automation. Let's get to it. Starting off with Section 1, hidden hardware shortcuts, turning physical actions into secret tools. Okay, did you know your iPhone actually has a secret physical button right on the back of it? It's a feature called Back Tap. If you go into your settings, tap Accessibility, select Touch, and then hit Back Tap, you unlock a whole new way to use your phone. You can set it up so that a quick double or triple tap on the back of the phone takes an instant screenshot or opens the camera or flips on the flashlight. Imagine just tapping the back of your phone instead of fumbling with those side buttons. You've basically just turned the back of your device into a hidden smart button. But hey, what if you have broken buttons, or you just want a slicker way to navigate without physically clicking anything? Enter Assistive Touch. You can find this in that exact same accessibility and touch menu. It pops up this little fully customizable on-screen menu, giving you total control. You can map out a digital home button, tweak the volume, or run complex gestures all right from the touchscreen. It's the absolute perfect workaround if you want to customize how you physically use your phone. And speaking of hardware tricks, this next one brilliantly illustrates how your iPhone can solve everyday physical problems. Hidden right inside the built-in Measure app is a level feature. Because the internal gyroscopes and sensors in your phone are so incredibly sensitive, this acts like a remarkably accurate physical level. I mean, you can use it to hang your pictures perfectly straight, check if that new table is wobbly, or just fix up home projects with dead-on precision. It's so cool. Moving right along to Section 2, Productivity and Text Hacks. Working faster and smarter. Look, we've all been there. You need to scan a document, so you go download some clunky, ad-filled third-party app. Well, scratch that, because the new way is already baked right into your device. Just open up the Apple Notes app, start a new note, tap the camera icon, and hit Scan Documents. That's it. Your iPhone automatically finds the edges of your receipts, contracts, or business papers, cleans up the lighting, and saves it as a crisp, perfectly clean PDF. Absolutely no extra apps required. Now tell me this, how frustrated do you get trying to fix a typo, wrestling with that tiny, stubborn text cursor? Trying to edit text on a touchscreen can drive you crazy when you just can't get the cursor in the exact right spot. Well, hold on, because there are some absolute hero tools hiding right inside your keyboard to fix this. Here's exactly how to cure those text headaches. First, just press and hold the spacebar. Try it. Suddenly, all the letters fade out and your entire keyboard turns into a trackpad. Now you can slide the cursor around anywhere you want with the precision of a computer mouse. Oh, and if you completely mess up a sentence, don't sit there mashing the backspace key. Just give your phone a physical shake. Yeah, you might get a weird look if you do it in public, but a pop-up will instantly ask if you want to undo typing. Just tap it and the mistake vanishes. Press, move, and shake your way to much faster editing. Now, this next one feels like actual magic. It's called Live Text. It's basically a built-in AI scanner. When you pull up any photo or a screenshot that has words on it, just press and hold right on the text. Suddenly, the image comes alive. You can copy the words, translate a menu in another language, search the web, or even tap a phone number in a picture to call it directly. It transforms static, everyday photos into interactive data, and it's incredibly powerful. Oh, and one more quick typing hack that Apple hides right in plain sight. If you've got a larger iPhone and you're struggling to type with one hand while, say, holding a coffee, just press and hold the little globe icon on the bottom of the keyboard. You can pick left or right mode, which instantly squishes the keyboard over to one side. It makes one-handed typing so much more ergonomic and comfortable. All right, Section 3, Essential Privacy and Safety, protecting your data and your life. So a lot of us know that if you want to keep a picture private, you just tap Hide in the Photos app, right? It gets sent to the Hidden album. But here is the massive catch. anyone holding your unlocked phone can still just scroll down and tap on that hidden album. So if you want true privacy, the crucial point is this. You absolutely must go into your main settings, tap Photos, and toggle off Show Hidden Album. Boom, the album completely disappears from view, guaranteeing nobody is going to stumble upon your private stuff. Now, let's pivot from digital privacy to your actual physical safety, because this emergency SOS shortcut is a life-saving hidden feature everyone needs to know. If you ever find yourself in a dangerous spot, just press and hold the power button and either of the volume buttons at the very same time. Keep holding them. It automatically triggers a countdown to call emergency services. Not only that, but it pulls data directly from the medical ID contacts you've set up in your health app. Knowing this physical shortcut is absolutely vital. And finally, Section 4, System Optimization and Automation, making your device work for you. Let's talk about turning your phone into a powerful personal assistant by combining two massive features. First, Spotlight Search. Stop wasting time swiping through pages of apps. Just swipe down anywhere on your home screen. You can instantly search contacts, pull up files, or even type in math equations and get the answer on the spot. Then you combine that speed with Siri shortcuts. You can set up these awesome custom routines. For instance, you could set it up so that just saying good night to Siri automatically dims your screen, turns on sleep mode, and fires up a relaxing playlist. You're literally putting your daily routines on autopilot. But hey, all of these power user tricks don't mean a thing if your phone is dead or completely out of space, right? So is your battery draining way too fast, or is your storage always maxed out? Those are probably the two most notorious smartphone headaches out there. But don't worry, there are hidden settings to fix both of them right now. Here is the ultimate system fix. To stop that battery drain, dive into Settings, hit General, and turn off Background App Refresh for the apps you don't actively need updating all the time. Next, take a peek at Settings, then Battery. This shows you exactly which apps are quietly devouring all your power. Just tweaking those two things can literally add hours to your battery life. And for that storage full warning, go to Settings, App Store, and flip on Offload Unused Apps. Your phone will start quietly removing apps you haven't touched in months. But, and this is key, it keeps all your personal data and documents perfectly safe. So as you can see, your iPhone is incredibly smart, but it's really only as powerful as the features you actually choose to use. By taking a few minutes to dive deep into these settings, you are completely transforming your daily experience. You are a true power user now. So my final question to you is, how many of these secret tools are you going to unlock today? Go grab your device, head into those settings, and start exploring. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and we'll see you next time.